going on YouTube? Geoffrey right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to spoof your GPS location with iGPS spoofer. Now this program allows you to change your GPS location on your device, so the GPS location that is reported to applications and games on iOS, so that you can conceal your location, for privacy reasons, or if you want to teleport to a different location for gaming purposes and stuff like that. There is a free download available for iGPS spoofer, and this does work for games like Pokemon Go and other games that require GPS. So you can play Pokemon Go from your couch without moving, but you can still catch all the Pokemons. And of course this works with social media applications as well: WhatsApp for business, Snapchat, Tinder, and of course it works with others as well, like Facebook, and any social media that supports location in tagging photos or posts will actually benefit from this to protect your privacy. And of course, for a larger reach on social media, if you want to see posts from a specific location, so on. So that's actually great. So let's try this program and see how it works. First of all, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. The program is available for Windows at the moment. There will probably be more support in the future for macOS and Android devices, but for now it's for Windows and it supports iOS. So you open the program after you install it. It installs like any other program on Windows, and as you can see, it detects your device automatically. Now, as you can see here, it says iPhone iOS 26.1, so it's very new iOS version. You click start over here once it detects your device. Make sure the device is unlocked and the computer is trusted, and then it will take a few seconds and you will get this UI where you can move, for example, and it will move to that location. I'm going to show you on the actual device. I'm going to open the Maps application, and as you can see, it shows exactly where I am. And now you have a couple of options. You can either use the zoom controls and put a point on the map and click move there, and it will automatically move, as you can see, directly to that location. Your device will believe you really are in that location, and any application running on iOS that checks the location will believe you are there. Or you can of course go with multi-point moves. For example, this is 2 points, so you can create a trajectory. For example, I want to go from here, from the Bronx, to this point over here, Mount Vernon, and I'm gonna click move here, and it will start actually moving there. So I press March, and yeah, it's now moving. If I zoom in on the phone, you will be able to see that it's slowly moving across the street, which means that the program is simulating movement. This could be useful for gaming purposes, for games that require movement and so on. And you can also adjust the speed over here. Right now it's about 2 meters per second, but you can increase it, and this shows about the speed of a pedestrian, the speed of a motorcycle or a bike, and then the speed of a car, which would be like 10 meters per second. And you can see it actually moving much faster on the screen if we follow the location live, and it does move without my intervention on the phone. So as far as any application on iOS is concerned right now, you are actually moving towards that location with that speed. Now, of course, this is useful, especially if you're trying to collect various things from the map on games and whatever. And you can also use something called multi-stop route, and this one allows you to essentially create multiple routes. So I'm going to quit the current one over here, make the map a little bit bigger, and I'm going to select the multi-point mode, and we can actually draw on the map the directions we want to go, each stop being a different segment, as you can see over here. So we would start here, move here, then move here, then here, 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 and here, and finally we will end up in the B over here. So you can create pre-made paths that you want your phone to follow without even moving from your couch. And this is actually great, as I said, for gaming purposes, or if you are in vacation and you're posting photos on social media, but you want the EXIF data of the photo to still show your home location to prevent burglaries and so on, so that people don't know you're in vacation. Anyway, we press move here, we selected the speed, and we start March. And if we click on the location view over here, we can now follow our device on the map, and you can see it actually moving in real time. And it moves pretty fast too, because I selected the car speed. Now, to prevent getting banned by applications that require location access, you should try to follow the streets usually, and not with a too big speed, because if you're going straight through buildings, that might look a little bit odd to various applications. But if you're following the main streets, you can plan your route accordingly accordingly so that they look natural. And yeah, that's essentially how you do it. That's all you need to do. You can also search for a particular location if you want to. So let's say I want to go to Milan, which will be in Italy, and it's this one over here, and we can move here, but I'm going to select teleport mode before I do that, and it will teleport me to Milan. And you can see it even on the device. It has teleported me to Milan, and that's essentially it. So you can use this as well to search for a zip code or a name of a place if you want to go directly there, and that's actually quite nice. So you can also see the coordinates over here if you want to save them for later, the zoom controls, and here you also have the historical records of where you went. So you can just go there again because it saves it. You also have the joystick movement. So let me show you how this works. Now I'm in here and I can use the joystick movement to advance, and it will actually follow the direction that I'm using over here, and it will go in that direction. So you can see I'm actually navigating in real time for a more granular control of the location. And of course, if we tap the location button, we can see we are exactly where we're supposed to be, in the middle of that street. So pretty nice, and it does fool all applications that require location. The program also does support a couple of languages. If you don't want it in English, it is over here. And yeah, that's it. It's actually quite a simple program, and it's very easy to use. I have tested this on both iOS 18, 17, and iOS 26, and it does work with all of them. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free download is available for those of you who want to try the program. The link will be in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can also check out the iGPS Spoofer location changer application on iOS. The application is available in the App Store, and you can download it on your iPhone. You press the get button, and of course you're going to have to confirm it, and it will begin installation right away. And you can use this directly on your device, automatically follow routes at adjustable speeds, edit photo GPS info, and of course have instant virtual location changer. So definitely check the app as well. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Peace out.